Hi everybody, this is Mrs. V Chen and welcome to my very first online lesson. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Alright, so this is about chapter 7 and then we have 7b and this is part 4. Okay, so the first question is you are given the condition which is x to y equals to 3 to 2. Okay, and then you need to find the ratio of 2x to 5y minus x. Alright, you ready? Okay, so to find this, the first thing we need to go back to the condition given to you, and which is x to y equals to 3 to 2. Alright, okay. Now the first thing is we have to let x be 3k and y be okay. So that is Archie. Archie is my Labrador. Okay, all right. Okay, so to explain this 3k and 2k, why we use k? So do you remember in the previous lesson we have, for example, if we have 1 over 2. All right, so let us enlarge 1 over 2 times 2, for example. Then 1 times 2 it would be 2, and then 2 times 2 it would be 4, right? Which is exactly the same now. So if we extend it, it can be 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 times 2, which is 8, right? They are always the same, right? So therefore, if we use k and k here, then we can connect all this thing together. All right, so this is the first condition. And now let us put this 3k and 2k back into the question, which is 2x to 5y minus x. Okay, all right, so that will be 2, and then no more x because we change x to 3k, so I put 3k instead of x, 2. All right, and then I use another bracket up, and 5y, no more y, and then y should be 2k. Okay, and then minus x, no more x. What is x? X now it is 3k. Okay, all right. Okay, so therefore you can see before we have two things, which is x and y, and now we don't have two things, we only have k, k, and k. All right, so the next step we will do simplification. All right, 2 times 3k, which is 6k, 2, okay, look at the second part. 5 times 2k, which is 10k, 10k minus 3k, what is it? That would be 7k, am I right? Yeah. Okay, so finally, k and k, no more, they cancel out, right? So the final answer to the question will be 6 to 7. Okay, very good. All right, so let's go to part B. So part B, we use the same situation, which is x to y equals to 3 to 2. Now, part B, now we have this. To find 3x minus y to x plus 2y, we use the same situation. Okay, so therefore, that will be 3. No more x, we change x to 3k minus, what is y? Y is 2k. All right, so that is the first part. And then the second part, x, change that to 3k plus 2. And y, no more y, we change y to 2k. Okay, done, very good. So no more x, no more y, we only have k, 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 right? Okay, so the first part, let me do some calculation. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2, right? So 7k, 2. All right, here we have 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7k. So therefore, what is the final answer? 1, 2, 1. Done. Finish. Okay, girls, let's try a difficult one. Now, the condition given to us is quite complicated. X plus y to 5y minus x is equal to 1 to 3. Now, this first part, we need to find x to y. And actually, we have learned something about this in the last lesson. Okay, let's do some revision. I just copied the question again. So, x plus y to 5y minus x, which is equal to 1 to 3. All right. And do you remember, actually ratio can be changed into fraction. So therefore, I will have x plus y on top over 5y minus x, right? And which is equal to 1 to 3 into fraction, 1 over 3. Okay, remember this? And then next step will be we can do cross multiplication. So I will have this 3 times x plus y, so 3. Okay, the best thing to do is don't forget the bracket. Otherwise, it would be easy to make careless mistake because the 3 means times the whole thing, including y. All right, and this is 1. So 1 times the whole thing, so that would be 5y minus x. So this is what we have done for cross multiplication. Okay, now let's do simple calculation, and to expand it, so that would be 3x. So this one times this, 3x plus 3y, right? Okay, and then that would be 5y minus x. Okay, so to find x to y, I need to put all this x on the left hand side. So that would be the x move to the left hand side. All right, so that would be 3x plus x. Agree with me? And then 5y. And then I have this 3y plus on this side, move the other side. So change from plus to minus. Okay, so therefore I will have how many x on the left hand side? I will have 4x on the left hand side. So that 5y minus 3y, so that would be 2y, right? Okay, finally, almost. So what is x over y? Okay, x over y. So always remember, we do cross multiplication. So since this is 4x, 4 here, so cross, so I put 4 here, and then 2, right? So very obviously, you can do multiplication here. No, sorry, it's not multiplication, simplification, or you can do this. So x to y is the same as what? 2 to 4. And of course, 2 to 4, we can still simplify this 2 to 4. So therefore, you can make it to x to y, which is equal to what? 1 to 2. Okay. Or you can do simplification here, because if you do simplification, actually 2 over 4 is same as what? Same as 1 over 2. So that's why the final answer is also 1 over 2. You okay? All right. So to practice more, after we have find x to y, so which is 1 to 2, therefore we can move on to part B of the same question. So this is question number 2, part B, and the question is to find 3x minus y to x plus 2y. All right, so to use the information here. Okay, so same as question number 1, do you remember? So since we have two things, so we need to change everything into k, so therefore we let x be k, and then y be 2k to begin with. Okay, and now I'm going to substitute this condition into this part. So that will be 3, and change x to k, minus y to k, which is 2. Okay, so what is x? X is k plus 2, no more y, and y is equal to 2k, right? Okay, so you can see again, we change two things, x, y into k, 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 k. All right, so which is exactly same as question number 1. So that would be 3k minus 2k, that would be 1k left, 2. Okay, how many k here? How many k's here? 2, 2, 4, 4, 5k, 5k. Okay, finally. 1, 2, 5 will be the final answer. Very good. This is question number 2. Okay, and then in this part, there's one more question before you do your practice. Okay, and question number 3. All right. So the condition given to you is if 4a is equal to 3b. This is the condition, and now you need to find the ratio of 2a minus b to a plus b. Okay, now we have two things here, and two things cannot cancel out, so we have to change everything into k. But the point is, can you change this 4a to 3b into k directly? I don't think so. So let's do something on this. 4a is equal to 3b. Okay, then what do you think about a over b? What do you think? Now, since this is 4a, and when we do cross multiply, the 4 must be here, so that would be crossed, and 3 must be here, right? Therefore, obviously, what is a to b? A to b would be